What is up, guys? So today I have here the Galaxy Watch 7, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and giving my first impressions of this watch. So let's get started. So I haven't even actually worn this watch yet, but it is amazing. So we have the original watch face. I just want to say how snappy this thing is. Like, I think this is the first time that a Galaxy Watch has actually felt responsive and super, like, actually fluid. So I think this is maybe mostly to One UI 6 or One UI 6 watch. Yeah, One UI 6 watch. But it's just so nice and smooth and like really responsive. So I did notice that a small glitch though. Never mind. Maybe it's just when you like do it really fast. But anyway, but it's super nice. And as you can see, compared to the Galaxy Watch 6, the bezels are thinner. So it gives you obviously a bigger display. That's what you get with slimmer bezels. And this watch just looks so nice. There's a look at the new sensors we have. It's really nice. And it can what's new with this watch this year, it can detect sleep apnea, which is really nice. We have a brand new energy score, and you can keep track of all this information in your health app on your Samsung device. So just go to the health app. Let's see, energy score. So that's the new thing. And then sleep apnea would show up as an alert in your sleep score. Yeah, so that is really nice to see. I will be doing a lot more like testing of this watch when I actually use it. First impressions though, it's super nice. We do have an upgraded chip too. And I love how this band feels because it's has those like little, I don't know what you want to call it, but like, not, I guess divots, would that be the right thing? But how it kind of goes up and down, opposed to the, I don't have them here, but on the straight Galaxy Watch 6 straps, I think it just looks really nice. And then these blue dots, which I know a lot of people didn't really like at all. Wait, hold on. Let me zoom in from away. That might do a better job. There you go. Maybe not, actually. There we go. Okay, you can kind of see. So that is actually fabric instead of, I thought it was just plastic little, orange and blue accents, but it's actually fabric, which makes it actually look kind of nice. And a lot of people said they don't like them, but I actually do kind of like them. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts on this device down in the comments. There will be a link down in the description to where you can pick it up off of Samsung.com. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see my full review on this device. And yeah, subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then.